Oh, no, you don't need a new one pa, baby ko. Andito. Check natin. Oh. Saan upuli mayroon dito? Oral-B. Iniinitan ako Oral-B. Oh, ito baby. Oh, look at this. Ooh.
Oral-B.
Look at this. This is what Mommy Boys is talking about. Oh, only one? Oh no, no more. Only one left. Nothing. It cost $5.
Oh no.
It's only one left. Only one left, baby. Oh, madam, mabilis agad na naubos. It's a this is a toothbrush. What's that?
What is that?
No, don't get that,
That's a
baby.
lollipop.
It's a lollipop. Ito yung sinasabi daddy ni Ate Flor. O, only isa na lang yung natira. Yung Oral-B.
I like this one, Daddy.
Yan o.
Oh, yeah.
Isa na lang yung natira. Wala na.
Who's gonna have that?
Kasi, ano, si ate muna. May isa pang toothbrush doon na.
Yeah. What's that?
Sinabi sa kuya yan. Hi, B. B is watching. Big love shoutout to B. Saan na yung dating pang ano?
Bakal naman itong bago. Ha? Ano yun?
Oh, I love this. Floss. Picks. Bibili ka?
You want a million?
Bakal na. Bakal na.
Million.
Try mo. What's that? Minion. Toothpaste daw nila, daddy Minion, no? Dito mo na. Over there, baby. Let's go. Ano pa? Yung Play-Doh. Hindi nahanap. Okay, let's go to the other aisle, baby. Grabe, $5 ito.
Another minion.
Yung sa isang karton, ano lang yata yon, $16.
Lipstick.
Ah,
Lipstick.
sleeper. May, hindi nga nagchichinelas. Ay, pang chani nga, daddy.
The nail polish.
Pagaduan.
Ha?
Pagaduan.
Nawala. Tingnan mo to, oh. Trimmer.
Ano man dami?
I don't know. Maliit lang.
Little pony. What's this?
Maraming mga mabibili dito. Pero punta tayo sa may... Nandito ba ang Play-Doh, bebe? No. Din dito ba, dad? Saan kabila dito?
Look! Lego cockatoo.
Kailangan namin mag-donate ng Play-Doh sa school. Last year, nag-donate din si Hannah. We are giving Play-Doh for the kids at school. For them to use during the activity time. O, saan dito yung Play-Doh? Where's the Play-Doh? Oh, over there. Nakalampas. Sa kabila ako tumitingin.
Play-Doh!
Oh, this one. It's $1. It's $1, baby. We have to get, I think, 1 box. Let's get in a box.
What was slime surprise?
What's that? Ito magkano to? Ay, maliliit lang. How much is this?
It's not slime
Ng
surprise.
isang ano. It's $3.50. Maliliit. 4. Pero maliliit. Ito naman, $1.
That's slime. Oh, it's no slime.
Dito na lang. Okay, you have to choose the color, bebe.
Oh, wow. Look at
Come on.
this. Cool.
Maybe we can
Kinetic.
get this lalagyan.
Sand.
Okay, baby Nat, you choose the color.
Here's kinetic.
One of this.
Wow.
Blue.